Creating comic books, a very labor-intensive job where a lot of skill, knowledge and time is required. But what if I told you, you can do it right now, and all that with just a few clicks? Hey Lemonheads, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own comic books using AI. How exciting is that? Well, get in and let's go. Step 1. Creating the content. Go to the link in the description and click the Hugging Face link. On this website, we can create each comic book page. There in the prompt box where it says Story, we have to enter a description of the scene and story. Let's try something with Batman and the Wolf of Wall Street. Next, we can choose a different style for our comic book. There on the left, click the drop-down menu, which uses American Modern as the default style. You can change the style to Japanese, American 1950s, Franco-Belgian, and even Egyptian, among others. I'm going to leave the style as it is for now, American Modern. Next, we can choose a different layout. There are 4 unique layouts, each with a different number of panels of varying sizes. Next, we can choose to add captions that appear at the top of each panel. It will generate text that fits each panel. You can turn them off and on at any time. Now the only thing left to do is clicking the Go button. It's in the far right. Click on it and the generation will start. This could take 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure it says generating a new story, because it could also happen that you see nothing happening. There are several reasons why this could happen. Maybe there are too many people using the site right now, or maybe your text prompt was too long, or maybe you are using the wrong web browser. I'd recommend switching to Google Chrome when you're having those errors. And look at that, here is our comic. Doesn't it look amazing? On the right, we have a slider to zoom in and out. Look at all the text that is added to the comic. Wow, just amazing. Now we can also choose to upscale the images by clicking on Upscale, which is at the bottom of the page. This way, your images will be looking much sharper. Next to that button, we have the option to print the page. And next to that is the Save button. But I've got to be honest. I clicked on it and nothing happened. So I clicked on it some more and nothing happened. But then after like 10 minutes, I suddenly got multiple downloads. Yes, it can happen that it is a bit slow, but I found a solution for that because there are many ways to save it. You can screenshot the page by pressing the Windows key and the print screen button, and then paste it in a photo editing software, cut it out and save it. Next, you can also download the comic images individually. And third, you can click on Print, and then instead of your printer, you have to change the destination to Save as PDF. And then click Save. Now, if you want to create the second page of your comic book, then you will have to type the same prompt but with a little variation. Let's try this. And then press Go. Wow, cool. A bit creepy but nice. Let's upscale it again. And this time I will zoom in so you can see the difference. Okay, it will get sharper in 3, 2, 1. Now, that looks sharp. Now let's do a completely new prompt, and this time with Donald Trump and Joe Biden eating gummy bears. And press Go. Oh my god, that looks so good, and look at those captions. Let's keep the prompt like it is and change the style. Watch me change the styles and generate the result. This is the Franco-Belgian style. This is the American 1950s style. This is the flying saucer style. This is the humanoid style. And this is the haddock style. And this is the Armorican style. Now that we've collected all the content, let's go to Step 2. Step 2, editing your comic book, optional. Now here we will edit our comic book some more. Since I really enjoyed the Donald Trump and Joe Biden comic, I will edit them some more. Let's go to Canva to do that. You can obviously use any photo editing software, but Canva is really easy to use. It's free to use, and there is even a 30-day free pro version trial. Now just drag and drop your comic page into Canva. and then scroll down and click on the uploaded image. And then press Use Inner Design. Now we can add the speech bubbles by going to the left-hand side and clicking on Elements. Now search for speech bubble. Now here you can choose out of a myriad of different speech bubbles. Let's add some speech bubbles. Now we go and click on Text, which is right under Elements. Now add some text. Now let's change the font. Search for a comic font. Next, we can just duplicate the text and then change it for the next speech bubble. For some extra effect, let's go to Elements again and search for Comic. Now here you can add some typical comic book stuff, be creative here and have some fun. When you are done, just click Share and then on Download twice. Now repeat this process for all your other pages and you have an amazing comic book created with AI. Here, I made this little skit for you to enjoy.
I simply love gummy bears. They are really great.
I'm glad you enjoy them, Donald.
Gummy bears bring people together.
Jababahaha, abba or not.
What is he saying?
Who needs political differences when they're...
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
And that's it, Lemonheads. I hope you can now create your own amazing comic books. Have a lot of fun, join the AI revolution, and become a member. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye, Lemonheads.